Welcome back, darlings. Welcome back to another tutorial. If you're here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are doing that, thank you for doing that. Today, DIY, we are going to learn how to make a scarfinator. The first thing we are going to do, I'll be showing you the material, and I've already shown you all the materials needed. So the next thing we're going to do now is this is our criloline with a wide rope. Our criloline with a wide rope. So you are going to do make a measurement. Our measurement is going to be 5 inches. After sewing it is going to 4 to 4 inches. So this is going to be 5 inches. Just take a look at this. I've already sewed that part, and that is our criloline. That is our criloline. So this kind of measurement you can use, it depends on you. You can use 10 inches, you can use 8 inches, and you can use 12 inches. 8 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches. I'll repeat it again. 8 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches. So the measurement is going to be the same with your quilling. So I have many of these. I have 18 pieces. This is 18 pieces. The first 18 pieces, the first one is going to be 9, and the second one is going to be 9. I have 18 pieces. So I'm going to the second part. I'm going to the second part. What I'm going to do now, after I've put in my criloline, I'm going to fold like this and do a running stitching. That's the first one. I'll take the second one, do the same thing, just what I'm doing. Take the third one, do the same thing to what I'm doing, making 3. I'll take the fourth one and I'll do a running stitch, just fold and do a running stitch just like that. 4. I'll take the fifth one, same thing, I'm going to do it. So I have 9 pieces of this. I have 9 pieces of this. This is the sixth one. Just what I'm doing. You take the next one and join it, do a running stitching. Make sure you use one rope. Just see what I'm doing. It's very easy. You keep doing it. So I'll be joining just 9 inches together. You can add to your own, but for this project I'm doing 9 inches. Just look at this. Just take a look at this. This is 9 inches. You tie it together. You tie the 9 inches together. Just see what I'm doing. You tie the 9 inches together. You do the second one just the same thing the way I did this. Just see what I'm doing. This is the second part. You do it like the other one. Just say I have 2. The first one is 9 inches and the second one is 9 inches, making 18 pieces. 18 pieces. I have 18 pieces. Just what I'm doing. Next you're going to do, you're going to glue it together and you're going to use a needle and try to sew it down. So just keep watching what I'm going to do.